Empire State Building is one of the United States' iconic landmarks. Continue watching to see how an engineer experiences this landmark. My channel explores the world looking at how things are made, as well as showcasing projects that I make and create. If you have been enjoying the channel, or this is your first time here, please like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification button for continuous reminders of an upload. Check out my Beginner's Engineer Toolkit in the description box if you would like to start practicing product development, and if you're interested in a collaboration or additional services that I offer, complete the form below. In New York City's skylines features one of its most important skyscrapers, the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building stands at 102 stories and is 1,454 feet tall. After the building was completed, it was the tallest building in the world for almost 40 years. The building has observatories, decks, and exhibits to explore. They have the main deck and the top deck, which have awesome views of New York City, including the Brooklyn Bridge, Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and so much more. Some of the exhibits include seeing the site in the 1920s, which is a black and white panoramic image depicts the site of the original Waldorf Astoria Hotel as construction of the Empire State Building begins. The construction exhibit showcasing the building at different points during construction. One of the exhibits that I enjoyed was the Stephen Wilshire drawing. In 2017, the artist took a 45-minute helicopter ride above Manhattan, and he then drew an incredible detailed landscape drawing of New York City while in residence on the 80th floor of the Empire State Building, which he drew completely from memory. Many of the building's key design elements, from the lighting and glasswork to the marble interiors, had weathered. As a result, some of these defining pieces were in danger of being lost. Currently, more than 12,000 feet of historic glassware has been recreated with attention to detail by a team of artisans and historians. Damaged marble has been removed and replaced with new stone. Among the building's most striking design artifacts is the vast mural along the ceiling of the lobby. It depicts a celestial sky in classic Art Deco style, adorned with 23-karat gold stars, sunbursts, and gears. For decades, it welcomed visitors to the building. However, in the 1960s, it was painted over and covered with a dropped ceiling. Artists and historians began to recreate this mural in all its original brilliance so that the lobby ceiling could once again captivate visitors as it did on the building's opening day. The Empire State Building has reduced the building's energy usage and have saved millions of dollars in energy costs. They continue to play their part as a leader in sustainable operations and make a point to share with the world the key lessons learned along the way. Some of these examples are its elevators, which transfers its lost energy as heat to their radiators, which uses reflective barriers to reduce heat loss into the air. Another innovation is the building's lighting system. It includes an adaptive dimming system that adjusts accordingly to light coming in from the outside. The Empire State Building is an iconic landmark that has withstood the test of time. When I reached the top of the building, I wanted to do an egg drop test, because who wouldn't as an engineer, and because it's so high up. But my egg drop test doesn't compare to Mark Robert's egg drop test, practically from space. I hope you have enjoyed this engineer's tour through the building. Continue to watch for pictures of the building's schematics and a bird's eye view of New York City. Write in the comments what you found most interesting at the Empire State Building.
Must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. If you miss the A train, you'll find you missed the quickest way to Harlem. Hurry, get on now, it's coming. Listen to those rails are thrumming.